everyone. So today I want to tell you why it is important to invest in yourself. Reason is once you invest in yourself, so you will be investing in your learnings. That will improve your existing skills and also it will help you to set your mindset. So today I have invested a lot in my, next level courses from my mentor and I took the diamond membership. So I have invested on my growth. And similarly, earlier I used to focus more on the external investment because I have done a lot with respect to, different area. But when it came to my own personal growth, we usually think twice before, spending time. But I myself has observed the difference in me with respect to my personal growth as well as, my uh, all-rounder growth, I would say, holistic growth. So considering that I have invested, on myself to upgrade my skills to the next level. Similarly, I would recommend you if you have, bandwidth or if you really want to go through in your right, always think, you know, think about upgrading yourself and investing in yourself with respect to the, high level programs. In the sense, instead of going, just for the shortcuts like buying programs from the Udemy or looking for the free courses, invest on proper mentorship, which will really give you the proper path wherever, whatever your goals. Because I am a job readiness coach, so I will tell more with respect to the job, career related thing. So it's more about spending on your upgrading your skills, upgrading your soft skills as well as etiquettes. There are so many aspects with respect to, job readiness also. So I highly recommend you, like, instead of looking here, there and multiple places, then struggling with your own set of learning where you'll not have a clear strategy, clear path, I highly recommend to invest on one mentor which will give you the strategy as well as implementation technique. So if you really want to grow in your career, I highly recommend the mentorship over all those programs and the certification programs also, which even vendor gives. Why I'm telling like that? Reason is those are very specific and the technical certification program which even does not guarantee the hands-on, right? You will earn that by reading the theoretical knowledge, but you will not be getting even hands-on. But the same thing if you go via proper mentorship, so there is a proper, strategy will be there and there will be a curriculum where you have to do a lot of, hands-on and then different, work assignment also. So I highly recommend to have a mentorship over those, random recorded courses. So this is what, my learning, because I have observed the difference. And it's not like, I'm not saying completely be away with respect to the, vendor specific certification or those online courses. Definitely, you, if you want to know about that, you can buy even, cheap courses also. You can observe even free courses also, to understand that. But always consider about who has done those courses, whether they have a high level programs also, or they have just built, based on certain knowledge. Do they really have a high level programs, and how is their, authority with respect to that field, if they are claiming about that. So always consider, not just look into the curriculum, also look into mentor side also, how, what is their background and what is their authority within their field. So this is all my recommendation with respect to upgrading yourself to the next level. So the way I have invested on my growth, that is a, I would say that is a financial decision. And it takes, see, when you are investing something, the way you are investing in properties, the way investing in your SIPs or any long-term investment, it takes time, right? Similarly, when once you're investing here also, it will take its own time. So do not consider, like the way you have given now, next day you'll start expecting the results. It takes its own time. But when you are putting this much money, always inquire about the mentor. So this is what my personal recommendation is. And check their experience also, check their experience within that field. And I not just that, how they have done the actual implementation, whether your mentor is an implementer also, right, or it is just a theoretical knowledge. So these all suggestion I would like to pass it to you, because once I'm highly career oriented person, and I went through entire journey, and then I realized what I learned even within from my colleagues also. I learned more because they were doing, actual implementation. I learned more from them rather than doing the certification. This is my personal experience. I am not telling that. Even when it comes to mentorship, then who is a mentor? Mentor, like who can guide you, right? So even within your organization, there will be somebody senior who is having mentorship mindset. Everybody don't guide, they don't tell, but few will have a mentorship mindset. So they will help you. So I learned more under them as compared to doing any certification, which was just a tag on me. I do have so many certification with respect to technical, but once it comes to actually implementing that in assignment, my practical knowledge which I learned from somebody who has done that implementation, that always helped me. My certification didn't help me that time. So that is my personal experience I am telling. Moreover, my own practice, in the sense, more you practice, more you implement that, you will more understand how actually it works in the real time with respect to the delivery assignments. Let's take an example. There was many scenario where I was totally clueless in the sense we never did that type of implementation. So what we have done initially, instead of screwing that assignment directly, we took certain part, and then we tried to implement all the touch points. So that is called proof of concept. So what we learned, suppose something is very new, what we learned theoretically, we took a certain part of that, and which is uh, touching all the aspects of that implementation, very small part, and the critical use case also. We took that out and we implemented that, tested that. If it is working properly, then only we have done the actual implementation. These techniques and these ideas, your certification cannot guarantee. If you have done any vendor certification, suppose from IBM, Salesforce, or anything, they don't tell all those things. That comes from the actual experience, who has done actual assignments. So I am not denying it, I am not telling it certifications we should not do. We should always do that as a parallel learning, but moreover we should focus on more gaining the actual expertise within the assignments. And that comes with connecting with the, you have a bandwidth, definitely you can try it and something and keep doing it, but delivery timelines will be very tight, rather than screwing something and spending time, and maybe your piece of code or your module will work, it passed during testing also, but there may be certain best practices, and there are certain scenario which who has done already, they can guide you better. So always choose a mentor or a guide who is an implementer and who has done the similar assignment, or you should have a test environment before getting and screwing the actual assignment. So this is what I learned it during my entire career journey. And it's not like that I have done also lots of many certification, but I prefer what is actual work somebody has done, that I consider it as a milestone, not a certification. So I want to pass this learning to you also. Do both in parallel, but focus more under the mentorship. So that's all for today. So I hope you will try to implement this learning on your, not just in your assignments, even during practice also you can do that, and you can look for the mentorship who can guide you end to end. So bye bye, take care, I'll see you in my next video. Now let's continue with our next step. So as because you watched this video till end, so I'm offering you my free course, and that is not just one course, it's my bronze membership, and that is having a 5 course you can see in my screen. So it is having a resume and the interview readiness blueprint, and access to the clarity career drive. Also it's having inner circle call. I'm giving, usually it's a part of the silver membership, but I am giving it in the bronze membership also. And you can attend the weekly live webinar, and you can have a specific one-to-one with me. Normally I charge one-to-one for 999, but I am giving it if you are enrolling for the bronze membership. Reason is, initially I kept the bronze membership only one course. Now I have included one of the key element from the silver membership, because I really want you to experience that how these live sessions and how these recorded courses are there, and based on that you can take decision to upgrade your membership. Bronze membership itself it's a highly valuable. You will you will come to know once you'll enroll that. So link is posted in the comment window, and that you can please enroll for the bronze membership. And I'm going to soon and you can schedule even your free one-to-one once you enroll for that. And other than that, I'm going to give you this mind map free, because this tips you can thoroughly use it, and you can start immediately. Do not wait like you just explore. If you want to enroll for the online courses, you go ahead and start doing it. And other than that, I want to tell you about my silver membership. So just pay attention, because it is having a huge value, and it is a collection of 12 to 13 courses. Now it is 13 courses. Of the 12 courses, which is covering the key pain areas with respect to the job readiness, whether it is a technology or people skills or the self mastery, and confidence building, industry insights also, and personal branding, how to look for the new job, that is what are the different platform, everything it's covering. And professional networking, how to leverage LinkedIn or any other social media with respect to how to approach recruiters, how to approach for the startups, how to approach for the big company recruiter. Every approach has been given there. You have to just apply and start doing that. And other than that, there's the main course, job readiness clarity system, where you will be getting full clarity with respect to the job readiness. It's having a self-assessment tools, and that you can leverage it, and what are the next step, and these are the micro learning elements. It will not even take your more time. You will be able to complete that along with your any other if you are going through the engineering curriculum, you can do that, or if any other course you can do that. And soon I'm going to start the hackathon. So what is a hackathon? Hackathon is a collection of the 6 missions, where we exactly working on the implementation of all these strategies, principles, and the networking techniques, etc., personal branding. So this is a full 12 courses. Now it is a 13 courses, because I am giving one challenge also. So that I thought as a part of the gold membership, but now I am giving it as a part of the silver membership, because I really want you to grow. And once you will really experience what exactly the challenge with respect to the interview preparation, there each day is the 30-day challenge. There you will be working on each day one question. Let's take an example of tell me about yourself. So you can tell that in 100 ways, but what are those ways which can really impress recruiter? So that I'm going to tell you. Similarly, there are so many other questions. 30 question, 30 days. So that is a 30-day challenge. So these are the total 13 courses. And once you'll enroll for the bronze membership, which is totally free, you will be getting a discount coupon, and actual price for Worth is more than actually I would say 1 lakh, but retail price is 15,000. But because you will be enrolling for the bronze membership, I'll give you in 4999 and that you can do that. And other than that, you can have a specific one-to-one with me. Normally I charge one-to-one for 999, but I am giving it if you are enrolling for the bronze membership. Reason is, initially I kept the bronze membership only one course. Now I have included one of the key element from the silver membership, because I really want you to experience that how these live sessions and how these recorded courses are there, and based on that you can take decision to upgrade your membership. Bronze membership itself it's a highly valuable. You will you will come to know once you'll enroll that. So link is posted in the comment window, and that you can please enroll for the bronze membership. And I'm going to soon and you can schedule even your free one-to-one once you enroll for that. And other than that, I'm going to give you this mind map for free, because this tips you can thoroughly use it, and you can start immediately. Do not wait like you just explore. If you want to enroll for the online courses, you go ahead and start doing it. So I really want you to see the succeed, because I just started this Clarity Career Tribe, and I really want you to succeed. So please take advantage of it and enroll for the silver membership also. Do the both bronze and silver. And I'll wait for you in my webinar. Please do join that, and I'll see you in my next video. Till that time, bye bye, take care. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.